Hello friends, if you like my videos then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Please send us your questions through comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Broke up with your partner? Breaking up with someone is rarely a positive experience. Even if you know that this relationship would have never worked, you feel sad. You have spent some time together with this person and gotten to know them, but now they are out of your life. If you don't want to feel sad anymore, read about how to cheer up after breaking up with your partner. 1. Talk to someone first. If you are feeling bad about your breakup, find someone to talk to. It can be anyone, your parents, friends, or even a therapist. The most important thing is that you feel comfortable expressing yourself to them. Talking to someone about your feelings will help you to process them better. Hearing supporting words from your loved ones will also definitely cheer you up. 2. Have a fun night out. Secondly, when you were in a relationship, you probably didn't have so much time to hang out with your friends. Now that you are single again, it is time to bond with your friends again. Being around them and partying can be an enjoyable experience and helps you to get back on your feet. 3. Do something nice for yourself. Furthermore, if you are feeling down, it might be time to reinvent yourself. Time post-breakup is the best time to reward yourself with something nice. On top of these, get a new haircut, reinvent your wardrobe, or go for a trip. Although material values will not fill the emptiness you feel in your heart, it will cheer you up. 4. Do some reading. Additionally, reading requires a lot of concentration, so you will not have to think about your relationship. Do you have a book that has been standing on the shelf forever? It might be the right time to read it. Equally, curl up in your favorite spot and have some quiet time. 5. Treat your body. Also, all the stress of the breakup has probably made you very tense. If you are low on energy or have trouble sleeping, go for a relaxing massage. Massage and/or aromatherapy will soothe your nervous system and make you feel relaxed. Once you are relaxed, you will feel much better. 6. Accept what's happened. To add on those, everyone feels sad after a breakup. It is completely normal to think about your ex and how things would have been if you were still together. But you have to learn to accept that the relationship is over and start to move on. It is best if you avoid contacting them or dwelling too much in your memories. Write down a list of reasons why you are no longer together and accept it. 7. Take up sports. If physical activities are not a part of your daily routine, it could be the right time to start. Or even if you are a sports enthusiast already, maybe try something new. Get rid of your negative emotions by physical activities. If you are outraged, perhaps let these emotions out on a boxing sandbag rather than other people. Physical activities will naturally make you feel better. 8. Eat good food. Food will definitely soothe your soul, but try not to hurt your body with lots of junk food. Try going to a new restaurant and feed your taste buds with something actually nice. Food will cheer you up, and being out of your home will also have its benefits. Take your best friend with you and have some me time. 9. Move on with your life. Lastly, if you believe that you have gotten over your ex, but still feel sad, it might be a chance to proceed to the next relationship. You don't even need to start dating someone, but some attention from the opposite sex will have its benefits. Flirt with someone or even go on a date. Meeting new people and having romantic interactions will boost your mood.